My undergraduate degree and experience prior to entering the program, I studied communications in my undergrad, and the last 4 years I've been working at Amazon on the AMZL side of Amazon, which is the last mile logistics, as a program manager. So before coming into this program, I had a little bit of experience with analyzing data to find trends, to craft reports, and also taking reports and trying to identify trends from weekly meetings and various data sets. I chose the UVA program for multiple reasons. One of the first reasons is I love the hybrid structure, some virtual classes and then a combination of in-person. I couldn't commit to 100% being in person just with work and school and friends, friends and personal life, but having the hybrid and then some residencies in person is a good combination of both. Still have that interactive in-person action when you're in the class, the great energy, meeting people, but they can still fit it into my schedule during the work week pretty well. Some of the tools that we've used in class and we've learned throughout the program, including Tableau, I have been able to implement in a work environment to look at trends in a different way. Before this program, I had never used Tableau in my life, and I didn't understand the power of Tableau and how it can really help show thousands of data points in a clear and concise manner. So that is a tool that I have used. And then additionally, moving into this next quarter, I am going to potentially start using more of the statistics tools such as SPSS and perhaps R to run some regressions and help identify trends, which I'm really looking forward to. My communication skills have improved significantly in this program. I've always considered myself to be a competent public speaker, but in terms of speaking to data and how to decipher it and how to understand what it means, I didn't feel super comfortable in that area. And already just through 2 presentations, I feel like confident speaking to those points. Additionally, we have several Q&A sessions after our presentations. And if you would have asked me to participate in a Q&A several months ago, I think I would have been a little bit hesitant. But now I feel comfortable answering questions in a way that conveys what I'm trying to get across. But also if I don't know an answer, I feel comfortable saying, let me follow up with you in another way.